Hello guys, this is Rich. In this video I'll show you how to remake a beat in Ableton Live or any instrumental. So you might need that for several purposes. For instance, you want to learn something, you want to practice, or some artist requested a similar beat or the exact remake of some beat, and then you need to know how to do it. I'll show you my workflow in this complete project I made. The reason why I'm not making it from the scratch, because it really takes a lot of time to remake a beat like exact copy or inspired copy. So I'll show you exact steps I made. So let's get straight to it. The beat in this case will be this one. It's a pretty melodic beat, and thankfully here on this website we have a BPM and a key, so it's very good. But if no such information available for you, the way you can put the right BPM on your blank track is clicking this tab button with the same tempo the original beat is playing. So you just click here several times, like 1, 2, 3, 4, and it gives you the right BPM. And then you just fix it in the right direction. Usually it's something round without like this point number. So right now we have the right BPM 130, and also we have a key C# minor. So it's very useful and convenient. But if you don't know the key, I'll leave link in the description for the website where you can upload the beat and it will recognize a key for you. You can download the beat and put it there, or you can download a video from YouTube, convert it to MP3 and upload there. So there is really a way to do it. So when I know the key, I just put this MIDI effect, which here, minor, and I put a bass on the C#, so it's C# minor, and I basically put it on any melodic channel. And actually I start to work from this section. So I create a channel, put everything on here like C# and instrument, and actually let's listen to this beat and get to work. So it's starting like this. So it's plucky and ambient beat. So you add instrument you have. I have here plug preset, you can see it here, and I changed some settings, added some effects, removed frequency I didn't want to hear, added some equalizer and compression, so it sounds more smooth. Actually I added second layer to make it sound more like similar, and actually in the beat you have 2 layers. You could hear it if you listen to it. So the first thing, I start with a melody as it starts in the beat, and I have this one. It's not like completely similar, not exactly the same, but we have a sequenced melody which goes through whole beat, and just in some places it goes 1 octave up. So it's pretty simple. I make this sequence without any MIDI controller. I just draw with my mouse, you know. So I drew this melody, then I made a little bit of variation here, and it sounds like this. So it's pretty similar. And also here you have this impact at the start, like this clap, and I have it here. Like again, it's a bit different, but you got an idea. I'll just put a reverb here on the crash. Actually, this is my drum rack. We'll get to it later. So it sounds like this. Actually, you can add EQ here to remove those high frequencies. Add there more space with this RC20 FX plugin. Yeah, now it sounds even better. Then you have this bass line. So you can see the timing here, and you have the right BPM, and you can see the exact time when another part going in. So it's pretty simple bass line. You just get the lowest key of this one, and then you get this low key of this one, and you just put this straight line, and it sounds like this. And also added compression here, and here as well, and here as well, to make it more smooth, because this is ambient and smooth beat. So it goes here, here it changed the pitch. And then, as you call here, can here on this timing of the beat. Drums kick in. So pretty simple drums. You have drum rack here, soft kick, open head with reverb, and actually I added a delay here. So you really gotta listen to the original beat and pay attention to details and try to mimic them. And a simple hi-hat pattern, like it's really simple, just straight hats. And I changed the bass line just to make it more interesting. I mean, I changed the sound a little bit. Yeah, you could hear this open head delay. Pretty good. So here it has a mixture of clap in this trap snare, and I made an instrument rack. I'll show you how to make it. Actually, I'm using my drum kit in this project. I'll leave a link also in the description. So the way I did it, I took two of these samples. Actually, I think you can. No, you can open two folders at the same time. But anyway, I took two claps, press Ctrl and select two, and press Alt and drag them in the cell, and it creates an instrument rack. And when you play it, it plays two sounds at the same time. You can add even more. So the next thing, I turned off the clap I don't need and put it the snare I need, so it has this sound almost exact as the beat has. Yep. Okay, heads. Also added some more heads here. There are no such heads in the original beat, but I decided to edit to make it sound even more ambient. So then I continued to listen to the beat and put the parts I need to the exact timing to create the same layout. Actually, I changed up the beat later on, like I added those 808s which are not in the original track, but this part is actually quite the same, and I could make it completely the same, but this one is for educational purposes, and for tutorial purposes I wanted to show you how to remake the beat just the way you do it, pretty easy way. I know it's harder to make beats with samples because you don't have actually the original sample, but it's possible if you can find the sample or make your own. Like if the beat uses acoustic guitars, acoustic drums, it's harder to make, so you gotta consider checking out the beat before getting to work, taking this project or order if some artist decided to order the remake from you. Okay, so I'll show you how it sounds later on. So the silent part. Then I put my 808s in because I wanted to switch up. Alright, so just try your best to mimic the sounds and pay attention to details. I also show you my master channel. I removed low frequencies and too much of a high frequencies here, which are excessive. I added some more equalization here. I used this compressor here, but then I switched up to this clipper plugin, but you can make the same effect here by using the soft clipper and adding more makeup here. As I showed you in the previous videos how to make it louder, you just go to glue compressor and make it loud. Just put it on here and play with it. So yeah, this is my master channel. I got it done to the end, so it's like 3 minutes, and here you can see it's like 3 minutes too. And then I export it with my settings as I'm revealing to you. So that's the way I export. Alright, I think I showed you enough and told you about the way you do it, the workflow, how you can remake any beat in Ableton Live, how I do it. I hope it was helpful for you, and if you have any question or like question about remaking some sound in the Ableton, leave me a comment and I'll try to answer you with the best thoughts and experience I have. So thank you a lot for the watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.